and welcome to Lety Does Winter of Workouts Try-On Haul, January 2020. Doesn't really roll off the tongue as well as 2019, but it is the first try-on haul of the new year, which means that I have 3 new outfits for you guys to pick from. So last month, you guys wanted this, what is it called? Slashed watercolor outfit to win. And actually, this is not the original top from the outfit that won, cause I can't find it. It's just such a small top when it's all bundled up. And yeah, I just couldn't find it right away, but I'm wearing this one in replacement, so just, you know, go back and visit that previous try-on haul if you want to see exactly what that looked like. And yeah, otherwise, let's get started. And of course, for those of you that don't know, you can go ahead and vote for which outfit that you would like to see me in for my Plus Photoset for this month by clicking that card up there. And now let's get started. So for option number 1, I have this outfit right here. And for this outfit, I got this jacket that I really like. Well, it's not a jacket, it's a compression shirt, spandex shirt, but it's a shirt that's really tight and form-fitting, and it stretches, and it has this like hole in the sleeve where your thumb is supposed to go so it doesn't slide. And then to match this one, I have pants of the same material, also very form-fitting, and the colors match and all that. And then to finish off the outfit, I got this skirt that I thought would look really cute on top of the pants. And I was hoping to wear all of these doing some archery, which is why I have, you know, the tight shirt with the thumb hole so that it doesn't slip off, hopefully, when I knock back my bow and we somehow figure out how to do archery in that. I don't know. I'm not a professional archer, but I can dress like one. So, yeah, this long sleeve shirt with these stretchy pants and this gray skirt cost me $60, and it is going to be your option number 1. Now for option number 2, I put together this outfit, which involves this pink cap for the sun, of course. These white leggings that are thigh high, or for me a little less because my thighs are kind of big, but thigh high tights. And then I got this white, just basic polo shirt that I thought would go nicely with the skirt, but I couldn't really find any like regular skirts that were in the color that I wanted. So I got a skirt from Avid Love, and I'm just gonna roll with it. And then I also got this glove, singular glove, because for this outfit, I was hoping to do some type of golfing photo shoot, and I put together what I thought would be a golfing outfit. Of course, I'm not a golfer, professional or otherwise, but I do know that you need a glove if you want people to think you're serious. So that's why I got the glove. And, you know, it's a really, like, girly outfit. I think the skirt and stockings are cute. And I do like the hat and the gloves, so this outfit costs me $59 to put together, and with all of it, it is going to be your option number 2. Now for option number 3, I have put together this outfit right here. It's kind of darker than the other 2 that I have. So for this one, I basically just have these stretchy workout shorts and this really shiny gold, I forgot what this material is called, but yeah, it's kind of a funky material too. Shirt. And basically the look that I was going for with this one was like traditional looking, just the sleaziest bowler that you can think of, because I wanted to do a bowling photo shoot with this outfit. And I wanted to have, you know, the gold color that would stand out a lot. And I don't even know how entirely that would work, but it would be a whole thing figuring out how to make it work. But at least I got the shirt for it. So this outfit cost me $49, and it is going to be your option number 3. Alright guys, so with that, these are going to be your 3 options for this month. And again, you can go ahead and vote for your favorite, that card up there. And the one that has the most votes on January 21 at 12 p.m. PST, I will feature in my photo set for this month, doing whatever it is I said I was gonna do, or at least trying to do it and failing miserably. Either way, there will be a photo shoot for you guys. And with that, that's basically all I got for now. Oh, this is my Plus Photoset. I just realized I said it wrong in the beginning. Oh well, I make 2 a month. Extra plug. That's all I got for you guys for now. So get out there, do all the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Huh? Come here. What's wrong with you? You got issues? What issues do you have? Tell me your issues. What are your issues, huh? Why are you pacing? You want to be with the fluffy doggy? Okay, go with the fluffy doggy. Here. Oh, you don't want to be with the fluffy doggy? Sorry, Shags.